to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor team will be allotted to work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also students we handle custom requirements. Our key features is we provide you with a monthly progress report card. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Guys, students, good morning. I want you to take this exam and win so many amazing scholarships. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature. So students, those who are new, why are you waiting? Book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Good morning, my everyone. I'm Shashank sir, and today I will be teaching you three-dimensional shapes. Okay. So yes, good morning. Who all are there seeing my stream? Comment your names in the chat, guys. So we have Amani, we have Anvesh, okay, and yes, and also we have Pushkar. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Also, okay. Good morning. So today's topic of discussion is three-dimensional shape. What is a three-dimensional shape? Have you seen a three-dimensional movie? सर वो ग्लासेस पहन के थ्री डायमेंशनल मूवी देखते हैं सर, एरोप्लेन उड़ता है तो हमारे ऊपर ही आया है, हाँ, बुलेट शूट होता है तो हमको शूट किए ऐसा लगता है. यस. सो व्हाट इज थ्री डायमेंशनल? Okay, now which object is this you are seeing? It is a square based pyramid. Okay, is it a three-dimensional object? Yes. Why it is called as three-dimensional object? Okay, what about this mobile phone? Is it a three-dimensional object? Yes. Okay, and what if I draw a triangle on a plain sheet? Is it a three-dimensional object? No. Why it is not? All these things we are going to study in our today's class, students. So objective of today's class is going to understand the 3D figures, understanding some common terminology such as vertices, face, and edges. Vani, good morning. I'm so much happy today. Okay, I'm glad you asked. I hope everyone is doing well. Yes. So what is a dot? Okay, so dot is an exact position on a two dimension. So dot has zero dimension. Dot has no units, it has no length, no breadth, no height. Okay, yes. So what is one dimension? Okay, a line is a one dimensional geometrical figure. It has length and breadth, no, length, it has having only length and breadth likhe hai. So this is not this. So one dimensional object has only one dimension. It has length, it has no height, no breadth. Has length but no height, or no height or no breadth. Okay, line. See this line. Okay, line is a one-dimensional figure. It only has length, not no breadth, no height. Okay, there is some correction here. Sorry for the mistake. Two-dimensional object. What are two-dimensional object? It has length and breadth but no height. Okay, so is this a two-dimensional object? No, these are just lines. Okay, so you should draw a complete figure, then only you can say it as a two-dimensional. For example, a square, देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, so it is having length, it is having breadth. Okay, so it should be a geometrical figure. A geometrical figure. Okay, it has two-dimensional figure. It has length and breadth. Okay, this is two-dimensional. Now what is three-dimension? Geometrical figure having length, breadth, and height is a three-dimensional object. Example, your Rubik's Cube. I've seen so many students nowadays. Okay, you're playing with Rubik's Cube. Okay, a lot of Swiflearn students master in Rubik's Cube. Okay, sir, देखो शशांक सर, मैंने 2 minutes में कर दिया, मैंने 3 minutes में कर दिया, 1 minute में कर दिया. And by the way, do you know how much is the Guinness World Record? So it's 13 point some seconds. Okay, the fastest person to solve the Rubik's Cube has taken 13 point few seconds. Okay, so this is three-dimensional object. Difference between one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional. Okay, one-dimensional is only having one dimensional, which is length. Okay, two-dimensional object is having length and breadth. Okay, the area is this length into breadth or side into side. So area is L square if both the dimensions are L. And a three-dimensional object, for example, if I take a cube, geometrical figure having length, breadth, and height whose all sides are equal is a cube. So all sides are equal to L and the volume is given by length into breadth into height. All the dimensions are same, which is equal to L. So L into L into L is L cube. So volume is L cube. Understand here, length one dimensional. Units are millimeter, centimeter, kilometer. Area units are meter square, centimeter square, millimeter square. Volume meter cube, centimeter cube. Okay, these are the different units. Now this is a fact. Read this. Average person breathes about 16 times a minute. So 23,000 breaths a day, which is 8.4 million times a year. Okay, yes. So let's learn about some figures, 3D figures. Okay, this on the left side is called as a cube. Why it is called as a cube? Okay, its name is cube, and what is the property of the cube is all the sides are equal. The length, breadth, height are equal. Example, your Rubik's cube. Okay, so cuboid. Okay, cuboid is a three-dimensional object where length, breadth, height they are different. Sometimes length may be equal to breadth, but always the three sides. Okay, one of the three sides will be always unequal. So example is matchbox. Example is your compass box. Example is a brick. All these examples are examples of a cuboid. Okay, yes, sphere. Okay, now if you draw a semicircle and rotate it vertically, okay, you get a sphere. Example is a ball. Example, earth can be assumed as a sphere. Okay, and pyramids. Okay, you might have seen in the images, movies, okay, found in Egypt. So it is a square based pyramid. The base is square and it's a pyramid. Avani is saying, sir, mobile. Yes, mobile is an example of a cuboid. Yes. Cone, sir, सब हमारा favorite है sir, cone. Ice cream cone, sir. Okay, birthday caps में पहनते हो ना cone. That is cylinder. Okay, this object is called as a cylinder. Okay, the base is a circle, and if you extend the cylinder, if you extrude the circle, you get a cylinder. Right? Yes. Pyramids. Okay, if the base is triangle, it is called as a triangle based pyramid, and if the base is square, it is called as square based pyramid. रियल एग्जांपल्स ऑफ 3D शेप्स क्या क्या है भाई? फुटबॉल है, पिरामिड है, गिफ्ट बॉक्स है, मैच बॉक्स, कंपास बॉक्स, मोबाइल. अमानी सिंह मोबाइल. ओके, so many things. Okay, perfume bottles, they are examples of cylinder. Yes. Now match the following shapes. Okay, and which shape is this? Okay, chalo. Yes, let us match the following. Now this shape is a square. It is a two-dimensional object. We have marked it already, and this is a square. This is a cone. It is a three-dimensional object. Okay, and this is a, what about this? This is a cylinder, three-dimensional object. And what about this? This is a triangle. It can be drawn in the paper. Okay, it is a two-dimensional object. This is a triangle. सर हम लोग सिलेंडर भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं ना, टू डायमेंशनल. वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट इट, वी कैन ड्रॉ द आइसोमेट्रिक शेप्स, नॉट द एक्चुअल थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप. वी कैन ड्रॉ द टॉप व्यू, फ्रंट व्यू, side view, but not the actual thing. ओके, टू डायमेंशनल ही ड्रॉ कर सकते थे. वी कैन ओनली रिप्रेजेंट थ्री डायमेंशनल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. यस, this one guys, the first one क्या है? first one answer in your हाँ pencil. Avani Singh sir cylinder का example pencil है. Unless you sharpen it, it is a cylinder. When you sharpen it, the front part will be a cone. Now first object, is it a 3D object? Yes, it is a three-dimensional object. And what is this? This is a cube. This one is a circle, two-dimensional object, circle. Cuboid, three-dimensional object. Okay, and this is a three-dimensional object called as sphere. Football, volleyball, basketballs. Okay, sponge ball, squash ball. What are, huh? Cadbury shots, the round chocolates. Okay, yes. I hope you understand the difference between the circle and a sphere. Thoda, if I want to make it clear, okay? You take a thin bangle, okay? You can assume it as a circle. And you take a ball, it is a sphere, okay? You may say, sir, agar if you take a fat bangle, okay, it will be having height. So that is a cylinder, of course. That's why I told you, take a thin cylinder. We can assume it as a circle. Assume, I'm using the word assume. Okay. So what are faces, vertices, edge? Sir, yeah, this is face. Nahi, this is human body face. Geometrical face kya hai? What is face? What is vertices? What is edge? Okay. Yes, let us learn these things today. So vertex. A vertex is a point where two lines or ray meet. Okay. And solid geometry shape such as cubes, cuboids. Okay. Form several vertices. Okay. जो भी sharp objects है उसको vertices रहता है. Okay. Geometrical figures such as cube, cuboids have several vertices. Now देखो यहाँ पे guys. See here. Okay, vertices, the eight corners of the cubes are eight vertices. Okay, so where are, see this corners, array, this is not a still one. So can you see 1 2 3 4 at the top? Those are vertices. Or let me take some object. Okay, yes, here I have. Okay, here I have, here I have. Okay, now assume this as a cuboid. See, this ends are called as vertices. Okay, this ends are called as vertex. Singular is vertex, plural is vertices. So an cube or a cuboid has 8 vertices. Okay, yes. Faces. So every individual flat surface of a solid is called as face. Now let me quickly grab this book. Okay, so this, assuming this as a cuboid, this is called as a face. This is called as a face. ये भी face है, ये भी face है. Okay, so these are all faces, students. Okay, solids have more than one face. Yes, of course, solid will be having more than one faces. Okay, so what are, see this, see the animation. The 6 flat square surfaces that are the skin of a cube are called as face. See this, can you see the 6 face when you open them? 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are called as faces. Now the next thing, edges. Can you see these lines? These lines are edges. These are called as edges. The line segment which acts as an interface between two faces is called as an edge. The line segment joining two vertices. The line segment is joining two vertices. Yes. So that is called as edge. Okay. So edge, the line, the 12 line segments that form skeleton of the cube are called as edges. ये देखो, ये जो lines है 1 2 3 4 at the top, 5 6 7 8 at the bottom, and 4 vertical lines, total 12 edges. Yes. So tricky points, देखो क्या है tricky points? The faces of a 3D shapes are its flat side. Okay, flat side are known as faces. Edges of a 3D shape are its line. Okay, two faces meet make an edge. जहाँ पे दो faces meet होते हैं, that's an edge. Vertices of a 3D shape are its corner points. Okay, vertices are corner points. Yes. So let's study in detail about this geometrical figure cuboid. Okay, a cuboid has six faces. Each faces is a rectangle. Okay, two faces that are opposite to each other are equal. The sides of the rectangle faces are called edges of the cuboid. Okay, first face, I'm going to mark this. Okay, so this thing, okay, this entire thing is called as a face. ऐसे कितने faces है? There are six faces. देखो, 1, 2, 3 at the back side, 4 at the bottom. This is 5 and opposite 6. Okay, so cuboid has six faces. What about the edges? Okay, where two faces meets are known as edge. This is an edge. So 1, 2. Okay, I didn't draw it properly, but yes, 2, 3 and 4. Four edges. Below also there are four edges. Okay, so we can't see all of them. We need to represent them dotted. And this vertical four, 1, 2, 3, and here there will be 1, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 edges. So how many edges does a cuboid has? 12. What about the vertices? The end points are called vertices. These are vertices. ऊपर 4, नीचे 4. Total how much? 8 vertices. Ishani, hello, good morning. How are you today? Yes. Same with the cube. A cube is a 3D object that is formed by 6 equal squares. Okay, so it has faces, all equal faces. The dimensions of all the faces are equal. So it is a special type of cuboid in which all edges are equal. It has 12 edges, 8 vertices, same as cuboid. Yes, what about this new object, cylinder? Cylinder is a solid figure bounded by two identical plane faces with one curved circle. This plane surface are nothing but circle. Okay. Yes, Avani, you are having school. You can go. Bye bye. Have a nice day. So yes, the plane figure. Okay. This is the plane. This is also the two plane figures bounded by a curved surface. This is cylinder. Or if you draw a circle and you extrude it in one direction, in the vertical direction, extrude means pull. Okay, so you get a cylinder. Yes. What is a prism? हाँ, physics में आएगा. Prism से light छोड़ेंगे, white light. If glare light आ जाएगा, it will split and all. So what is a prism? Okay, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, all those things you will learn in the ninth standard. Yes, a solid which has two identical top and bottom faces. It's called its base. Corresponding sides parallel and other faces being a parallelogram or a rectangle. This is a prism. Prisms are classified according to the shape of the base. Triangular prism. It has five faces. Okay, so कहाँ पे है देखो यहाँ पे. This one was a triangular prism. So bottom one face, top one face, two faces. This one is, let me mark it. Top one, bottom second. This is third, fourth, and पीछे एक है which is hidden is fifth. So triangular prism has five faces. Yes. Okay. Edges. What about the edges and vertices? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. Edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. Okay. 6 vertices. Rectangular prism. Okay. It has 6 faces. 2 rectangular base, 4 rectangular faces. 12 edges, 8 vertices. Rectangular is prism is nothing but cuboid. Okay, square prism. The base is square and it is extruded. Same 6 faces, 2 square bases, 4 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. 12 edges, 8 vertices. Yes. Hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism means what? Hexagon means what? Geometrical figure having 6 sides. Okay. Are all the sides equal? No. Maybe, may not be. If all the sides are equal, it is called as a regular hexagon. If sides are varying, it is only a hexagon. All the sides are equal, regular hexagon. Okay. Now, 8 faces. How many faces? So, bottom one, top one, and the 6 rectangular faces. 8 faces. 18 edges and 12 vertices. Pentagonal prism. हाँ अमेरिका में है. Pentagon क्या है? Okay. So geometrical figure having 5 sides. If you have seen Avengers movie, वहाँ पे दिखाया है Pentagon. Okay, नीचे Pentagon है and it has been extruded. So yes, 7 faces, 5 rectangle faces, 2 pentagon bases, edges 15, vertices 10. Okay, so this is a very imaginary chapter. ये imagine करना पड़ेगा तुम लोगों को. What about pyramid? Sir, pyramid तो हम लोग रोज देखते हैं, टीवी पे देखते हैं, images देखे हैं, मूवी में देखे हैं. Solid bounded by polygon faces as its base. Polygon means maybe a rectangle, maybe a square, maybe a triangle, maybe a pentagon, कुछ भी हो सकता है base. Okay, and 3 or more triangular faces with the common vertex. Okay, base कुछ भी हो सकता है. All of them are joining at a common point at the top. Okay, so इसको बोलते हैं pyramid. The base of a pyramid can be a triangle, rectangle, polygon, anything, maybe pentagon, hexagon. So yes, square pyramid है, rectangle pyramid है with their edges and vertices. Okay, so triangular pyramid है with the edges and vertices. नीचे 3 vertices है, ऊपर at the one is 4. So 4 vertices and edges you can count 3 at the bottom, 3 the side thing. Yes. So list the vertex, face and edges of the given figures. Yes guys, I want Ishani if you're there. Okay, answer this question. Answer this question. Okay. So first one is a cylinder. List the number of vertices. Okay, and faces and edges for this. So this is not a sharp object. It is a curved object. So vertices of cylinder 0. Okay, and faces 1 and 2 and a curved face. 3 faces including the curved face. Edges. Okay, so I'm not sure. Okay, you can see if you take this as an edge, this as an edge. Okay, 2 edges. Yes. What about faces for edge vertexes for the cuboid? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Vertices 8, faces 8 1 2 3, sorry, faces 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Edges 1 2 3 4 8 and 12. Sphere. What about sphere? Okay, it is a complete curved object. No vertices. Okay, it only has one curved surface. No edges. Okay, this is about the sphere. How many edges does the square based pyramid have? Okay, edges. See here, square based. Square is having 4 edges. Okay, so ये 4 हो गए. And this 4 slant lengths. Okay, ये 4 slant lengths. That 4. So how many edges? It is having 8 edges. The answer is 8, guys. Yes. Point to remember, spheres are really difficult to make. Okay, actually according to me spheres are very easy to make. We can use the help of gravity. Okay, so वो भी जो भी spherical chocolates रहते हैं ना, तो they are drop छोड़ देते हैं. So gravity will do the action. ओके, तो सेमी स्फीयर हो जाते हैं ऐसे. वेन एवर द ड्रॉपलेट्स आर फॉलिंग दे आर दिस शेप. ओके, सेमी स्फीयर विद द कोन, तो उसको ट्रिम करके कर देते हैं. बट यू कैन समटाइम्स से यस दे आर डिफिकल्ट टू मेक. They have zero faces, zero edges, and zero vertices. Yes, which means we can't join anything together. Yes. Okay. So what did we learn today? क्या सीखे हम आज? We understood 3D figure shapes, understood what are vertices, what are faces, and what are edges. So yes, that's all for today. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. That's all for today, guys. And it is time to play the game. Last time क्या कर रहे थे हम? What game were we playing? What was the theme? I don't remember the theme. Body parts were the theme, right? So yes. This time, what can we play? What can we play? Okay, 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 okay. So let's think of fruits. Okay, we will play for a while. That's all. A lot of students are, if they are there, we will keep the game going. So the theme of today's game is fruits. Okay, so let me make it like this. Otherwise, I need to erase everything. Two columns. Theme is fruits. Guess the fruit name. Hmm. Guess the name of the fruit. Let me know who will answer this first. खट्टा मीठा फ्रूट है ये, रेड कलर फ्रूट है. Yes, can you guess the name of the fruit? Yes, it is cherry. Cherry. Cherry is the name of the fruit. Okay, so next one. Next one. Yes, Ishani, you have answered it right. So Ishani has 2 points. Okay, so Ishani, yes, let's make this fast today. So there is a delay. I don't know, like the delay is there, so we are getting the reply late. So cherry, next one. Okay. Hmm. Which fruit is this? Also a famous mobile company brand. And the next one. Yes, name the true fruits. We will stop here, guys, today. So which fruit is this? Yes, of course, this is apple, and this is banana. Okay, so that's all, guys, for today. Yes, we will stop here, and I hope you liked today's class. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Yes, Ishani, you have answered all the questions right today. Shout out for Ishani. So we will come with a new exciting chapter very soon. Till then, stay